Hello. Let's have a conversation, and I will help correct your English as we go. Ask me anything.
Can you help me with my English speaking?
Of course, I'd be happy to help you improve your English speaking skills. Do you have any specific areas you'd like to work on or any sentences you'd like me to help you with?
Yes. What is best way to improve speaking in the English?
Here are a few corrections and suggestions. What is the best way to improve my English speaking? Added my to make it more clear that you're talking about your own speaking skills. Here is the explanation. To improve your English speaking skills, there are a few things you can do.
Hi, my name is Cal, and I've been an English university instructor for over 16 years. I have a way that you can easily practice speaking English anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. This method will give you immediate feedback, correct your mistakes, provide personalized learning, is private, just you and ChatGPT, will boost your confidence, is available 24/7, and it's free. Actually, you can use it to talk about just about any subject you want. You are about to discover just how easy it is to talk to ChatGPT and have it talk back to you. But that's not it, so stay until the end so you don't miss out. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your Chrome browser. We need a Chrome extension that is only available on Chrome, and it's free. Then go to the Chrome extension store, and you can find that in the link below. Don't worry, all of these directions and links are in the description below so you can easily follow along. And this is what you're going to see when you get to the Chrome store. Now right up here, the top left, we need a special Chrome extension, and it's free. All you need to do is this. Type in voice control for ChatGPT and enter. And this is what you're going to get right here, voice control for ChatGPT. Notice I've got this little green tag because I have already added it. So all you need to do is click on that, go through the process, add it to your Chrome browser, and then we're almost good to go. Next, open up ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, it's real simple. Just go to chat.openai.com/chat and sign up. All of this is free. If you do already have an account, you might notice something different in your input section where you would normally type right about here. You do have the option to still type, but instead now we have this option right here. You can tell by the this microphone icon where you can press, and then you can actually speak to ChatGPT, press again, and that's your input. It's pretty cool. But what really is the icing on the cake is a super prompt that I've made for you so you can have a conversation with ChatGPT. And not only that, ChatGPT will take any mistakes that you make in your sentences. Number one, it will correct them. Number two, it will give an explanation of why those corrections are necessary. Then it will answer the question that you originally asked. And finally, it'll keep that conversation going as long as you want until you say, I'm done. Now, to get to the good part, we are going to program ChatGPT to be your own personal English tutor. And in the link below, I've got a special prompt for you. We're going to enter that prompt in just a moment. And the great part is you only need to enter that prompt one time in the beginning. Just copy and paste and let the magic happen. So let's give it a try. This is the prompt that we are going to use. Again, this is available for you in the description below. We're going to go into ChatGPT, into the text area, copy and paste, and then hit enter.
Hello. Let's have a conversation, and I will help correct your English as we go. Ask me anything. Note, please provide me with your sentences so that we can proceed with the next steps.
Great, so let's speak to ChatGPT. Hello, I'd love to practice my English with you. Is that okay?
Of course, that's perfectly fine. I'd be happy to help you practice your English. Do you have any specific areas you'd like to focus on or any sentences you'd like me to correct for you?
Okay, so let's put in a sentence incorrectly, intentionally. For example, I'm a coffee lover. So let's say, I like coffee. What kind coffee you may be liking? Hello, I like coffee. What kind of coffee you may be liking?
Here are a few corrections. Hello, I like coffee. What kind of coffee do you like? Explanation. In this sentence, I should be I and you should be do you to make the sentence grammatically correct. Also, maybe should be do to make the question clearer. Now here is my answer. I'm an AI language model, so I don't have personal preferences. However, there are many types of coffee available, such as espresso, latte, cappuccino, and many more. It really depends on your personal taste. Question. Do you have any other sentences you would like me to help you with?
And there we go. We've got a conversation going. So let's take a quick look at what ChatGPT told us. First of all, it corrected my sentence. I was intentionally making mistakes, and a lot of mistakes in English, and ChatGPT took those mistakes and corrected them right here. After that, ChatGPT gave us an explanation of why those mistakes needed to be corrected. And then ChatGPT answered my question about English and did it really clearly and really concisely. And that's a big help. So what do you want to ask ChatGPT? What conversation are you going to have next? Really, the options are almost unlimited. And as a bonus, I have put these directions and my super prompt together in one downloadable PDF just for you. All you need to do is look in the description, just click on the download link, and you're good to go. Also, if you like this video and you would like to continue improving your English, how about checking out this video right here so you continue to level up your lingo.